Pops here, Pops Outlaw Garage. And in this video, we're going to try to attempt to put stripes on. There's going to be black stripes and a white hood because all the car is going to go white. It's too hot black. I'm an old dude and I need to be cool. Alright, see you in the next clip. Alright guys, we got 3 coats down. Now it's time to lay down the stripes. Alright, be back in the next clip. Later. Well folks, it's the next day. We had a problem with the paint. I don't know what happened, but we gotta sand it and re-spray the paint. We hope it goes good this time. I'm getting tired of taking out the paint. So as you can see, right where the black, where only the white's gonna show, where the black stripes are, it went terrible. So look at this. We'll go up here by there. But if you can see that, I know it's hard to see, but it's bad there too. Well, see you in the next clip. Alright fellas. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and lay out some stripes. May have to repaint in the middle of the white, but hey, that's the way to go. I'm going to leave the camera on, but probably put it in fast motion. And here we go. Alright guys, we got her all taped off and we're ready to paint the stripes. So let's commence. Here we go boys. Alright guys, here we go with another. Alright fellas, it's the last coat we're going to do. Hey, Pops here. Pops Outlaw Garage. As we wait for the stripes to dry, I'm going to tell you a little bit of what the paint I used. I used Rust-Oleum flat, and the mixture was 4:3. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to hit it with some flat clear. That's because it'll hold that in there. We didn't use any hardener. So if you want a cheap paint job, go this method. Because this is only going to be like $200 at the max. But if you go and get, clear and the other stuff, it's going thousands of dollars. So if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. We just got done putting stripes on this 83 bird. And if you want to see if we can put the stripe on the scoop, should we or should we not? So it looks pretty good from here. So just let me know in the comments if you want to see stripes on the scoop. All right.